Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to renew your driver's license on eCitizen. So after opening your Google window, type NTSA and you will come at this window where there is National Transport and Safety Authority. Click on that address and it will bring you to this web page by NTSA, and you will come straight to online services and select driver testing and licensing. Click there. So NTSA will ask you to use your eCitizen login credentials to access all NTSA services. So what we do, we click on sign in and click on the checkbox to verify that you're human and not a robot. Then we go ahead and enter our login credentials. You can use your email address or ID number, whatever you use to register your eCitizen account, and then enter your password. In case you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password and you will receive prompts to guide you through once resetting your password. Now that you have entered our ID and password, let's sign in. And the web will ask me for one-time password verification. This is OTP, either via email or by sending it to my phone. So you either select to receive it by email if your phone is already connected to internet, or by phone if you already have airtime. So let me click phone. So let me check on my phone to see whether the messages come. Exactly, I have the message. That is your eCitizen account verification code is JZ5LZR, and that's what you should type into that dialog box and click next. So click continue. So this will take me to the NTSA page where there is my name and my ID card number and the status of my driving license, which shows it's expired, and also it goes ahead to show me the reference number of my driving license and vehicle classes that I can drive and the date when my license expired. So the next thing to do is click renew and it will take me to driving license renewal. Then we'll click on this box which shows virtual driving license 1 year red book. Select that, and these or other boxes will be populated with my personal information. However, I need to complete my place of birth. Go ahead and you may choose to include your blood type if you know your blood group. In this case, I can leave that as unknown, but you can add your blood group. And in this box, we need to select our country of residence, in this case Kenya. And the next box we need to fill with our physical address, and that is the PO box number and area code and the town. Don't forget to fill the county of residence and in this case we can say Nairobi, and let's go ahead and upload our passport photo. Okay, remember that all the areas with a rent star or asterisk as they call it should be filled up, except for the KRA pin which they have left blurred. You don't need to fill that up. And then you click this box, check the box where you say or confirm that I hereby confirm I have provided all the information as required in regard to this application. Then go ahead and click renew. So you will receive this box here or dialog box with your details, your name and phone number at the top here. With your payment reference, you can copy this, and several modes of payments that you'd like to use to make the payment to NTSA through eCitizen. And in this case, we're gonna select M-Pesa. So M-Pesa says pay using M-Pesa. Click here to receive M-Pesa menu, enter M-Pesa PIN and click OK. You will receive a confirmation SMS from M-Pesa. After you receive a successful reply from M-Pesa, click the complete button below. Or you can pay by going to M-Pesa menu on your phone, select pay bill option, enter 222222, enter account number, the number we copied and the amount, then enter your PIN and send. Then you will receive a confirmation SMS from M-Pesa. So we can click here to pay via M-Pesa, and that's my number. Click on initiate payment. Then it says please check your phone for STK menu. Okay, and I have received the menu on my phone, and I'm gonna enter the PIN. You can click complete. Okay, so it's a success. Me, go ahead and download my receipt of payment or download my electronic driving license. So I will click on download my license. And there is my license. You can decide to print this license out and keep it, or you can save it in your phone or your email for any reference that when asked for. Thank you very much for watching the video, and all the best.